Hello again. In this video today, we'll walk through the department dashboard in Cronysoft, and I'll show you how to analyze sales, cost, inventory, and overall department performance. From the home screen, click on Pricebook, or at this point, I believe you guys might be already using the Smart Search for a quicker access. Select the department dashboard. Okay, so right at the top of the screen, you'll see key performance indicators for your store. These include total departments, total sales cost, total actual cost, and profit margin. These metrics give you a quick snapshot of your business performance. Below that, you'll find detailed tables comparing sales versus cost and sales versus purchase by department. Here, you can view sales amount, cost, profit, and margin for each department. This helps you quickly identify which departments are performing well and which may need attention. You can also use the search option to find specific departments, and the export option allows you to download this data for reporting and analysis. You will be able to download the data in PDF, Excel, CSV, or even email it to yourself or any of the management. Okay, now scroll down to view graphical representations of your data. This includes department sales charts, making it easy to compare performances visually across departments. Further down, you'll see department inventory and department-wise profit margin. These sections provide insights into inventory quantity, retail value, cost, and overall profit margins per department. You will also find sections for top 5 departments and lowest 5 departments. This helps you quickly identify your best performing and your underperforming areas. To customize your data, click on the filter button. Here, you can select a date range such as last month, last 3 months, or a custom range. After selecting your desired range, click Apply. The dashboard will update based on your selected time frame. You can also click Refresh at any time to update the dashboard with the latest data. To view more details, click on the pink button beside the departments. It highlights as Overview. Once you click it, this will open the department overview. In the Summary tab, you'll see key insights such as active items, items that never sold, out-of-stock items, cost inventory, price inventory, and overall margins. You'll also see the department's rank compared to others. In the top right corner, click on the blue Action button. From here, you will have access to edit, send to POS, or delete the department. If you select Edit, you can update department details such as name, group, restrictions, tax settings, and other configurations. Once your changes are complete, click Save. Next, go into the item details. Over here, you can view all items within the department, including UPC, item name, vendor, price, cost, and on-hand quantity. You can also filter by active items, out of stock, low inventory, slow items, dead items, and items that never sold. Under top 50 items, you can view the best performing items based on sales and inventory data. In the Comparison tab, you can analyze performance across different time periods such as 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 3 months, and 6 months. This helps you track trends over time. The Log section, that allows you to track changes and activity related to the department. You can also access the department order planner to manage and plan inventory orders efficiently. The department dashboard gives you a complete view of your business performance, helping you make better inventory and sales decisions. And that's all. We completed with department dashboard. I hope you understood that, and if not, you can always reach out to Cronysoft for further assistance. Once again, I'll see you guys in our next module.